Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Here's a video from a subscriber that saw us working in Jacksonville and asked me to take a look at his project. Take a look.
Hey guys, I'm Eric. I'm a fan of Chuck's, and I happened to see him working in the yard as I was going out to get lunch. So I stopped and I said, "Hey man, you really do travel, huh?" And he's like, "Yeah." He laughed at me, and I said, "Hey, I've got a problem. Would you mind coming to take a look at it?" And he graciously agreed to it. So here's my yard, and he's going to help me out with what I need to do here.
Yeah, Eric's just a fan, another YouTuber, and you can kind of see his problem. It's pretty straightforward. He's got this low spot back here, and real typical problems we have in Florida and everywhere, not just here, but Charlotte, Raleigh, you know, clear up into Ohio, Michigan, wherever. You can see all the water. You see all this water back here? And every time it rains, this is the low point of the yard, and you can see it as it comes up. It's rising uphill before it can get over the street. And he's probably also the lowest point from these homes behind him, so he's getting all that water behind him as well. And what he wanted to know is, you know, he's got a plan to do it himself. He wants to put in some catch basins and some French drains, and he wants to put a sump pump in here and pump it out to the street. And he's already got it, but he just wanted to make sure that he had it correct, and he does. So it was really nice though. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate you asking me to stop by.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.